Welcome to our
channel. Welcome to our channel, guys. Apple Family Channel.
We're going to break our laptop, MacBook. MacBook standard time
It's
stay.
like tap into the
Dance.
doorknob and then you
behave down there.
open everything up. You open up the
See, we're going to use this one.
What is that?
sledging.
SSD hard drive.
Oh my god, the dog wants to join. My goodness. Yeah, hindi okay na yun.
Thunder,
like,
makaon
let
niya
me help.
abot ng screws. You can eat the screws, Thunder. Ay, Pat, put him in the cage nga muna.
Turkey.
Aroy, cage ka dong.
Cage ka dong. Cage ka dong. Hey, cage.
Okay, ayan. So what you're doing now?
First instruction is to remove the longer screws.
Ah, mayroong instructions dyan?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No, I do not know.
Hindi ka pa pwede.
Oh my gosh, wait, I thought those were just diamonds looking stuff.
Those are screws to hold the in the inside.
Wait, so they're cracking the electric? No, like this is the electric, right? And then this is the
You
thing.
need to remove
The screw.
this.
Like it's
Inside of
Wow.
it are thousands
First
of
time.
things.
Wow.
First two screws.
So
Because
they're
this one is,
breaking the
longer.
inside with the nail. The screws. That's just not right. Okay, so that's
So what you're doing at daddy?
Upgrade the memory, hard drive memory.
So we're going to upgrade the hard drive memory of our Mac.
What's
From
that?
1 to 8 gigabytes original to 512.
So, ayun.
What's
From
the
1
memory?
to 8 gigabytes to
What's that
512.
memory thing for? Ma, what's
512. Ayan guys, 512. So
Ma?
BG lang ako guys. Sila yung main character ngayon.
What's BG?
Background. Doon ka. Other side ka para makita.
It's like camera person, not camera person.
Ma, but why? What? Wait, what's the memory for the?
For the computer.
Yeah.
If he doesn't have a memory, he doesn't know how to play.
Yeah.
So Roblox can't work anymore, especially YouTube.
It can. We put higher memory. We change it to more.
gigabyte.
Oh, you mean like?
Do not spill the coke. The first two screws are longer screws, then the remaining is same size screws.
Earring size.
So those people who want to learn how to like
Yeah.
fix your like computer for more memory, and then like
The
this
very
is
first time
You need to unclip.
teaching tutorial. This is.
Oh, see, it clips.
Oh, see?
Oh, it's
Oh my
open.
gosh, that dust.
This is what's
The
inside
inner
the
core.
Yeah.
The mental core. I'm so shaking right now.
See, it's too dirty already, so we need to clean it.
Yeah.
This
How
is
many years na to?
6 years.
It's been 6 years.
It's like the year we won. 1 year after we
Look,
moved
I
in.
think the nail, the screws really broke the inside. They're like.
Look, it's so dirty. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. There's a lot of dust.
How can they clean it up?
Do not touch it.
Look at
Daddy only.
so much.
Look at this, so much 2 feet away from it, like 5 feet apart.
No.
It's like in.
Ay, good thing we have a brush.
Oh, I thought that's for the food.
Paintbrush.
Yeah.
Good thing we have a paintbrush.
Oh, it's technically.
Ayan. There's only a dust. Ayan.
A dog?
Dust? Dog.
Dog.
I almost fell on your foot, Mom.
Do not English me. I'm nose bleeding.
Okay, so here's how it goes. I'm gonna speak in very hard English.
Okay, kung may battery na.
So much buttons.
Battery
So
still
much
good.
screwdriver.
This is the speakers battery.
So, asan na Elisa?
This is the
Picarito?
fan.
The fan, the one you always hear that sound.
Yeah, this
The
is the
fan that.
fan.
That makes it sound like.
And this one is like, some of it is for like charging. Yeah.
Next, you need to unplug the battery.
Better unplug the battery, sis.
Like, do you remember hearing that sound sometimes? Like, it's like deeper than that.
Yeah.
Like that, and it's the fan the whole time.
Yeah, I thought it was like the game.
You should stay there, Pat. Kasi hindi ka makita.
That's okay.
Ah, okay. Ayaw mo.
Yeah. But I'm blocking the camera right now.
What? Houston, we have a problem.
This is practically like that game, surgery game, like
Oh my God, it's so hard. Be careful, masira yung ano mo.
Yes. Next procedure is unplug the battery like this. This is the cover. See? You disconnect already the battery. Connect, disconnect.
Okay.
Once disconnected,
What happens next?
use the screw to this is the SSD. This is the hard drive memory. Clip, pull, done it.
And what's next?
the patient's doing
Replace
fine.
with the new one. See, same size. So guys, okay, snap it in. Then place the screw.
Son, I'm learning.
Place the screw. Then
Patient's
Why you need to open that one?
battery.
Yeah?
Disconnect the battery before doing anything.
Ah, okay.
patient's pulse
And then right now, connect it back. Snap.
patient's pulse is 500.
Pull, unplug, then press to
Unplug before putting the ano,
unplug before putting hard drive.
hard drive.
Patient's breathing.
So this is the
Old one.
original
So Toshiba.
Can I see?
Toshiba.
Yeah.
Oh, Toshiba.
This is only how much? It's like 1 to 8 gigabyte.
1 to 8 gigabyte.
Nakita?
How much is this one? How many gigabytes?
512.
Yeah. So that's it now?
Yeah.
Also easy.
Let's
A
stitch.
little easy, but you need to be careful when putting that something.
The memory gone.
Right? You need to be careful.
Yes.
Now to stitch
So
the
that's
patient.
it, guys.
Now to stitch the patient.
Yeah.
This will be a easier process on stitching, but be careful.
Still, you need to be careful.
The patient would be affected if a wrong move is.
So again, put back the larger. Tama ba?
Yeah, the longer screws
Ay, the
first.
longer screws.
The moment of truth.
Let's see.
The truth.
Hala, wala wonder.
There's a problem.
Ella, what did you do? In this together. Maybe we need to remove the cord.
Battery.
Ayan. Ano lang pala kami.
It was just sleeping.
Nag-surprise lang siya.
He's just sleeping.
Ba't wala man? Hala, nag-ano pa yan, nag-reading.
We're all in this together.
So, this is it now. So, mag-program ulit.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to
See, you need to have an extra hard drive, external drive to back up your computer. You can back up your computer, MacBook, using a time machine. If you use time machine apps, it's already built in the apps. So back up your computer, and then after that, he will ask you to,
Back up your computer before opening the back side.
yes,
Before changing the ano. So what happens na? Transfer information to this Mac. Ayan. So from this, what is this then?
external drive.
Yeah, from the external drive,
There's so many
transfer again the ano information. So, ayan guys, at nag-aantay na lang tayo na may transfer ang file sa laptop at naging successful naman po ang ating pag-upgrade sa ating MacBook Air. And so, ayan, thanks for watching guys. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.